Health and lifestyle news now. In February is Heart Month, and tonight we have an interesting story to tell you about that's happening at St. Mary's Regional Cardiac Center in Kitchener. Now that is where health professionals are using a high-tech tool to be on the leading edge of patient care. And that tool is made in Waterloo Region. CTV's David Emery has the story.
A BlackBerry in a cardiologist's hands, displaying critical ECG information. The details were relayed while heart attack patient Brian Dorner was monitored by paramedics.
EMS workers were in my basement, had me hooked up to ECG, and emailed my heart information off to the St. Mary's Hospital.
The information was assessed quickly.
It takes 90 seconds to transmit these ECGs, so the patient's still at home when we're looking at their cardiogram.
When the ambulance arrived at the hospital, Brian was taken directly to the cardiac lab.
What we've done is taken the emergency department right out of the loop.
That means prompt and timely treatment.
Our best time here locally is 36 minutes, so you can imagine a very short period of time from when we arrive at the patient's side to when they're on an operating room table with their coronary artery reopened.
With better outcomes for the patient.
Time is muscle, as they say, so heart muscle dies during a heart attack. It's not receiving oxygenated blood, and the sooner we can get that heart coronary artery reopened, the less damage there is to the heart.
There's a clear correlation between how quickly you get the artery open, firstly how effectively you get the artery open, how quickly you get it open, and survival, and not just survival but quality of life as well.
Benefits for both patients and the hospital.
We've seen our length of stay drop by about 30% actually, because these patients are having smaller heart attacks and they're recovering more quickly and more completely.
St. Mary's is the first hospital in Canada to use BlackBerries this way, making it one of the leading cardiac centers in the country. David Emery, CTV News, Kitchener.